super delicious Brazilian cheese bread on the menu today at Cindy Certified Recipes, and you won't believe how easy they are. Welcome on in to Cindy Certified Recipes, everybody. We're going to jump right to this because the sooner I get to these cheesy puffs of goodness, the sooner you get to see them. So we're going to start off this recipe here with milk. That's 2/3 cup of milk. And you know, I always use whole milk. And then we're going to use 1 egg. That's 1 room temperature egg. And a 1/4 cup of light olive oil. I found that they rise differently with different types of olive oil, and I like how they rise with the light olive oil. And this is 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I'm just going to start that whirling. And then this is 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese. Let that chop up the cheese just a little bit. And this tapioca flour is very powdery, and so it's best to add it slowly. You can see how powdery that is. You're gonna get a cloud. Just add it slow. That's good. We'll turn that up a notch. You just want to incorporate it. You don't want the cheese super chopped up. That looks good. I'm gonna push that out of the way. And I have my little muffin tray here. This is a non-stick tray here that I'm going to be pouring this in. This is the mini muffin tray, and you want to just pour them so that they're just a little more than half. And I just dribble it across there because all those little dribbles are going to come right off this pan. There we go, and that's all ready to go in the oven at 375 for 20 minutes. Look at these, you guys. These are so fun, and everyone loves them. And they're gonna sit here and cool for 2 minutes in the pan, and then we'll be back to take those out. So these have sat for their 2 minutes, but the pan is still kind of hot. So I'm gonna set these over here, the rack here, so you guys can see these when I take them out. This is a non-stick pan, if I didn't already mention that. So they're gonna pop right out. So you just take them out. See, they come out real easy. And they're just fun little balls. Crispy on the outside, cheesy on the inside. And what's great about these is if you have any left over, you can just pop them in a Ziploc bag and freeze them. And then you just put them in the oven at 350 for like 3 minutes to crisp them back up, and they're ready to eat again, and they'll look just like this. So they're just great, and you can use all kinds of different cheeses if you want. Parmesan, and Monterey Jack, any type of cheese you want. Experiment, put different herbs in there, but these are them, you guys, and they are just great. And so I'm just going to open one up, and you can see that inside. They are so good. Enjoy. Fantastic gluten-free snack or finger food. And remember, shred your own cheese. And as always, if it's time tested, top-notch ingredients, and the talk of the table, it's Cindy Certified.